Hey pack leaders, this is here. My friends are protecting family, protecting pack. Let me go ahead and enable my OBS here to have sound. There we go. Cool. So I want to do a video on bot trading versus manually trading. Well, if you have kids, I think you guys already understand that it's a little difficult trying to concentrate, place an order, know when to get out, know when to get in, and trying to think while you have kids climbing over you, kids crying in the background. It's kind of stressful trying to figure that all out. So I always try to focus on bot trading versus manually trading. I think I have feedback going on here. If you have kids, I think you guys already understand that it's a little difficult trying to concentrate, place an order. There you go. Know when to get out, know when to get in, and you're trying to. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay. I may have to redo this video, but whatever. So yeah, I have Eli here. He's sleeping, and we just had this major pump of about $400 that just kind of came up, and I think we did pretty good on it. I think it captured every 3 or 4 of those $100 pumps. And let me kind of show you the results here. Here it is. This is the latest one. Let me switch over. Alright, so I think it started around here. I think before these are some smaller ones that was just kind of switching and stuff, but once it really caught it, let me just refresh it. See, this is the latest stuff here. Alright, so yeah, it's been doing pretty good, just catching up on this. Now, I have had some losses trying to figure out some settings and testing around and whatnot, and I think I'm kind of done testing. I just want to kind of stick with this, alright? And yeah, so there's a few times where I'm making adjustments and still kind of tweaking and tuning, but once I get those settings that nailed down, I usually publish that to my little video here. So that's kind of what we're doing, is just playing small and seeing that's consistent, then we'll start to build it up. But what happened earlier was we had a nice little pump here. Now if there's a live stream on this one, you could probably just kind of go back on it and see where it kind of just pumped up 100, it picked up the profit, placed another order, pumped up again, placed another 100, pumped up again. So we took about $200 or $300 takedown profits from here. You can see this is 283, 386, 178, 280, 114 to 215. So it's $300 right there. And oh, that's another one, $400. So we took that one down. And this is a small 9893. That's another $100 one. All right. And this is a short, so this is probably a smaller one. Yeah, this is probably like $20, something small. So yeah, these are nice little handy paydays that are there. On top of that, it'll compound the order, which is kind of great. Once it closes the order, it goes, oh, what do I have left? I have a little more now. I could double down a little bit, double down a little bit, and kind of increase that position as it continues to close. So currently I am still long, but at $300 position. That's my stop. If it slams down, we'll reverse and see how fast it slams down. I just don't like when it does these nice little wicks right here, and it wicks you in and then takes off the other direction. So we have a little wick protection so that if it does, we'll just take a $30 or $20 loss so that we can ride the other direction. So I think most likely this will probably get back in, and we'll probably maybe put a little stop profit here. It might just tap that a little bit and then come back down and just kind of play around this $100 channel here. But in the meantime, that's where we're at. So that's why we have these here, so I can kind of see this on my live stream, and I can go back and say, okay, what was the time distance? Kind of change this now to about an hour here, so that it doesn't sell too quickly now. So I can kind of have a little bit of a ride. I used to have 10 minutes here, but now I'm trying an hour, see how that goes. And just kind of monitoring the price action, the time frame distance, which is the distance between the high and low. So these are two prices, and then this is the wick that we're calculating. So if it does wick, we could see if it's kind of like within range. We can tweak this up or higher, lower, and then it kind of tells us what are we doing right now. We're medium movement, but not in profit setting. So this is the not in profit setting here that it's going to be using. So you could maybe trail a little tighter, or just in case, whatever, or maybe just get back in. Just depending on how you want to do this. But I kind of have these two about the same right now. And then I'll kind of tweak it later on as I make little micro adjustments along the way. Okay. All right, so that's why we bought trays for mainly for parents, and you have stay home and you have kids here, and you don't have to worry about stressing out. They're crying. I have a second one watching a show, and the third one's with their mom, and you can just basically do this 24/7. So, all right, thanks for watching, and happy bot trading. Talk to you then.